The first thing you want to do is to click Make It in Cricut Design Space. And then you're going to want to make sure that the mirror button is on. You want your image mirrored so that it comes out right on the t-shirt. Browse your materials and then click Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet because that's what we're using. Click Done and then follow the prompts that are on your machine. So click the go button, it'll flash, it'll let you know that it's ready to go. And a couple things you should note about the Infusible ink if you've never used it before. One, the Infusible ink transfer sheets are gonna look way more dull than the color that they're supposed to. So for instance, this is our black color and it looks really brown, and that's how it's supposed to look here. It's going to come out looking black, beautiful, and vibrant on your t-shirt or whatever substrate you're using. And that's going to be the same for any color of infusible ink that you're using. You can use the standard grip matte, and you want to place the infusible ink liner side down. And what's great about infusible ink versus some of the other ones is that the actual liner side, you can tell because it says Cricut and it has your guidelines on the back, so you know that that's definitely the side that's supposed to go down. And you want to make sure that your infusible ink side is the side that's up. Now, Cricut is celebrating Black History Month, and you guys know that I am a Cricut blogger. So they asked us to do something like an infusible ink, t-shirt or design that would celebrate Black History Month. And of course, you guys know I'm African American, and I wanted to, of course, participate because I think it's great when companies um, do support Black History Month and diversity and all of those things. And this t-shirt, it says unapologetically serving Black girl magic all year. And what was important for me to get the message out about this project and this t-shirt is that um, I don't want to just serve my Black girl magic 1 month per year, or I also don't think we should just be celebrating Black history 1 month per year. It's American history, especially, well, African American history is American history. And I just really feel like we should be celebrating that and celebrating diversity all year. It's not something that we should just be concentrating on in February and then we can put it to the side. And then even in my own personal life, I want to be um, more forward with my Black girl magic and not have to feel like I have to, you know, hide it or, in order to make other people feel okay, because it doesn't make me feel okay, right? I want to be able to be authentically who I am. I want to bring brilliance to the table and not have anybody be intimidated by that just because I'm African American or I'm a woman or whatever. I want to be able to be who I am, and I want you guys to be able to be who you are as well. And you can change this shirt up. You can say, unapologetically serving craft magic, honey, all year, because we're crafters. Like, you can make this t-shirt say what it needs to be for you. But for me and for Black history, I really wanted to put this message out there that, I'm no longer going to be shrinking back to make other people feel, great about themselves. I think that we do ourselves a disservice if we do that. And so, yeah, that's why I wanted to do this. And I am definitely celebrating Black History this month and pretty much all year by shopping Black a lot more. And I'll leave some links below to some awesome places that you guys can shop if you want to as well. For instance, Lamika with Capital Chic Designs is in Michael's, and I definitely have a haul video coming up for you guys on that because I did purchase a whole bunch of items when that launched, and I've been waiting to do a video for you guys, so I will be doing that. But just supporting other, Black entrepreneurs and Black crafters and doing that all year around is something that I'm concentrating on. Like I said, not just Black History Month, but for the whole year, for forever, just making sure that we support each other better. And we're almost done cutting our thing. So you guys, I had the hardest time weeding this thing. As a matter of fact, I messed up one t-shirt and then I made the second t-shirt was perfect. And you guys leave me comments all the time and you say how, you know, I've helped you not like waste your materials and things like that, and that's because I waste them for you. So I waste them, and then when by the time you get the video, we're all good and I can tell you the tips and tricks and everything like that. So just so you know, the the Infusible Ink transfer sheets, they come with butcher paper as well, which you're going to need. You're going to need a lint roller for this project as well, and I'll leave like the what you need below as well. But yeah, you're going to need a lint roller, you're going to need the butcher paper that comes with it, the standard grip mat, which is the mat that I'm using now. Of course, you're going to need a machine. We all know that. And you're going to need a compatible t-shirt. So I bought the t-shirt that's from Cricut because I knew it was going to be compatible. And I also bought it in I believe it was a 3X, which I will say I'm normally an extra large. And when I put on the 3X, because I thought I was going to like make it a little bit more baggy, it was actually pretty close to my size. So I think they run a bit small. And here on the screen, I'm just mirroring again the little bars that are going to go on the t-shirt. In this case, that wouldn't have mattered because it's a shape, but however, I want to be consistent for you guys. So just make sure you mirror it. That way you just don't mess up anything and it will be fine. Again, this pink, you guys know, I love all colors of pink, but I typically will have vibrant pink when I'm doing video for you guys. For the most part, I think I have like my pink glitter lips were very bright, and this pink is also very bright, and you're gonna see it on the t-shirt. It's amazing. But again, that's just one of the things that you need to know about the Infusible Ink transfer sheets, that it's going to look a little dull, but it's going to come out vibrant on your t-shirt. So don't, you know, get alarmed about that. That's just how it's supposed to work. And then I did do weeding off camera. If you guys want me to show you that in another video, I definitely can. So you just want to make sure that you have your easy press mat underneath the shirt, the 3 or 4 pieces of butcher paper inside the shirt, and then lay out your design perfectly and put a butcher paper over it before you put the easy press on it. So I'm using the easy press too, and I put it on most of the design, and then I had to do the last edge of the design as well. Thank goodness it didn't move, because like I said, I did mess up the first t-shirt, and I was very glad that I didn't mess up this one. So once you have done that, the settings will differ depending on your substrate, but for this it was 385 at 40 seconds, and that's what I did. And then it's a warm peel, so just be careful when you're peeling it up, and if you needed to, you can use tweezers. But I was so happy, like when that first bar came off, I was like, oh, it's gonna be perfect. So especially because I messed up the first one. And I will show you guys the mess up version on Instagram as well as the really good version. So hop over to my IG and you will see that this weekend because I will be wearing it. And look at that. Do you guys get excited when your project comes out the way you want it? I do. So yes, I hope you guys love this video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below in the comments. You guys know I'm happy to answer questions all the time. Thumbs up the video, and I will see you next time. I love you guys, and serve your black girl magic, your craft magic, whatever magic, serve it.